Good morning, students. In last class, we can discuss galvanic cell and what is single electrode potential, what is standard electrode potential, and EMF of the cell. Single electrode potential. It is defined as the potential developed by metal and its solution having its own ions. Okay, the potential developed by metal and solution having its own ions is called single electrode potential. Okay, it is indicated with capital E. Okay, the single electrode potential is taken in electrochemical cell. This electrode means electrochemical cell. Okay, in electrochemical cell, the anode is negative and cathode is positive. Okay, next, in electrochemical cell, redox reactions can take place spontaneous. Redox reactions can take place spontaneous. Okay, in single electrode potential is nothing but electrochemical cell. In electrochemical cell, anode is negative and cathode is positive, and redox reactions can take place. Okay, and then in this electrode, oxidation takes place. The electrode oxidation takes place. Okay, in last class we can discuss galvanic cell. Galvanic cell means two containers are taken. Here zinc sulfate is filled. Here copper sulfate is filled. Okay, here zinc rod is dipped in it. Copper rod is dipped in it. Okay, here single electrode potential. Here I can take one container. That means zinc sulfate solution is dipped in zinc rod. Okay, that means in this electrode, oxidation can take place. That is called oxidation potential. And in this electrode, reduction can take place. Here copper sulfate is taken, copper rod is dipped in it. Okay, this electrode reduction takes place. This electrode reduction takes place. Then it is called reduction potential. Okay. Then this whole potential is called as redox potential. Redox potential. That means this cell potential is called redox potential. Redox means both oxidation and reduction can take place. What is redox? Redox means both oxidation and reduction can take place in the reaction. Okay, redox potential are called EMF of the cell. EMF of cell. Okay, to calculate the EMF of the cell by using potentiometer. Potentiometer. Okay, if you calculate the EMF of the cell by using, we can use potentiometer. Okay, then the single electrode potential we cannot calculate. The single electrode potential we cannot calculate. So we use reference electrode. Okay, single electrode potential we cannot calculate. So we use reference electrode. That means another electrode. Okay, so we use reference electrode. Here I can take reference electrode, standard hydrogen electrode. Single electrode potential we could not calculate. So we can use reference electrode. That means here I can take reference electrode, standard hydrogen electrode. hydrogen electrode. What is standard hydrogen electrode? That means the potential developed by metal and the solution having its own ion of 1 molar concentration. Okay, 1 molar concentration. That means here the standard hydrogen electrode, the potential is 0. This is very important point. Okay. In standard hydrogen electrode, the potential is 0. That is EH naught is equal to 0. Okay, EH naught is equal to 0. Okay, here I can take electrode, that is anode or cathode. Okay, we cannot determine the potential of single electrode, so we can take reference electrode. Reference electrode. This is standard hydrogen electrode. The potential is 0. The potential is 0. Okay. Next, in standard hydrogen electrode, the electrode is having platinum foil at the bottom, and it is placed in outer glass tube. Okay, it have an inlet to pass the hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, what is standard hydrogen electrode? The electrode is attached with platinum foil at the bottom, and it is placed in outer glass tube. It have an inlet. It is used for the supplying the hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure, and the container is filled with 1 molar. Why 1 molar? 1 molar. Standard means 1 molar concentration. Here 1 molar HCl is filled. Okay. That means this standard hydrogen electrode is written as SHE. Okay, standard hydrogen electrode is written as H2 gas. H plus ions are present in the solution. Then H2 gas is passed to the solution. H2 gas is passed to the solution. Then platinum white is placed in it. Okay. Next, in galvanic cell, one is oxidation and another is reduction. Here the same. Okay. Here this is oxidation. Then standard hydrogen electrode is acts as a reduction. When this is reduction, then standard hydrogen electrode is oxidized. Okay. Next, this vertical line represents the oxal. This vertical line represents the oxal. Oxal means this. Okay. Two oxals. This vertical line represents the oxal. That means the oxal consists of metal atom and its ions. Okay. The oxal consists of metal atom and its ions. Next, I can take metal electrode. Another electrode, that is metal electrode. The metal electrode is written as M oxal Mn plus. Okay. M is any metal. Okay. Metal oxal M plus. Here M is written as first. Okay. Oxidation takes place. That means oxidation takes place. Here ions are written first. That means reduction takes place. Okay. That means next these metal electrode, that means these metal electrode can coupled with standard hydrogen electrode. This metal electrode can coupled with standard hydrogen electrode. Then we can write the cell reaction. Okay, in this metal electrode oxidation takes place. That means M will give rise to N plus N electrons can be released. That means this is oxidation. Okay, and standard hydrogen electrode reduction takes place. So H plus H plus ions can gain the N electrons. Okay, these are reversible reactions. Okay, can react with these electrons to form hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure. To form hydrogen gas. And okay. The net reaction, this is reduction. The net reaction means redox reaction. Why redox? Both oxidation and reduction can take place. That means N electrons are cancelled. M plus NH plus will give rise to N plus N by 2 H2 gas. This is the redox reaction. This is the redox reactions. Both oxidation and reduction can take place. Okay, by using these, we can calculate the EMF of the cell. We can calculate the EMF of the cell. Okay, firstly, in single electrode potential, we cannot calculate. Okay, so we use reference electrode. Here we use standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode means the electrode is fitted with platinum foil. Okay, the hydrogen gas is passed to it. Okay, then it is written as this way. Okay, H plus and hydrogen gas is passed at 1 atmospheric pressure. Platinum wire is present. Okay, this vertical line represents the half cell. Okay, next metal electrode. This is metal electrode. Okay, the metal electrode is represented as M. First we can represent metal and next we can write ions, metal ions. Okay, this vertical line indicates the half cell. Okay, in this half cell oxidation takes place. That is this. Okay, in this half cell reduction takes place. Okay, then the redox reaction is this. If in this electrode reduction takes place, then this electrode oxidation takes place. Okay, next by using these reaction we can calculate the EMF of the cell. We can calculate the EMF of the cell or redox potential. Sorry. We can calculate the redox potential or EMF of the cell. The next one is sign convention. Sign convention. The electrode sign is, first electrode is in the electrode oxidation takes place, then it is negative sign. Why negative sign? Loss of electrons are present here. Okay, so negative sign, it is indicated with negative sign. Next, the electrode is, in the electrode reduction can take place. The electrode is reduced. Okay, in this electrode reduction can take place, it is indicated with positive sign. Why? Because gain of electrons is takes place. Gain of electrons is takes place. Okay, this is the sign. Okay, sign convention. Next, the metal. Okay, the metal rod and its ions are always in equilibrium state. Okay, ions means Zn plus 2 electrons released. Okay, this is oxidation reaction. Okay, in this case the metal and its ions are exist in equilibrium state. Okay, it always exists in equilibrium state. The metal rod and its ions is always exist in equilibrium state. That means this. Okay, in this case oxidation takes place. Oxidation takes place. Here I can take zinc sulfate solution and zinc rod is dipped in it. Okay, we know galvanic cell. In galvanic cell, zinc rod is oxidized and copper rod is reduced. Here the same way. Okay, here in zinc rod can be oxidized. That means zinc can be oxidized to form Zn plus 2 ions. Okay, these electrode, that means these off cell is coupled with standard hydrogen electrode. This electrode can coupled with standard hydrogen electrode. Then this standard hydrogen electrode reduction can take place. In standard hydrogen electrode, reduction can take place. That means these H plus ions can be reduced. That means standard hydrogen electrode, these electrodes can coupled with standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, this is oxidized, so this standard hydrogen electrode is reduced. That means H plus ions will gain these two electrons. The equilibrium can exist to form hydrogen gas. That means the redox reaction is, this is reduction. That means the redox reaction is Zn plus 2 H plus ions will give rise to Zn plus 2 plus H2 gas. Okay, these two electrons are cancelled. This is the redox reaction. Okay, next, by using these redox equation, we can calculate the redox potential or EMF of the cell. Okay, next, I can take copper sulfate solution and copper rod is dipped in it. Okay, in galvanic cell copper rod is reduced. So this copper rod is reduced. That means the net reaction is copper rod, that means Cu plus 2 will gain the electrons to form Cu. PBD is formed, precipitate is formed. Okay, Cu metal is formed. In this case, reduction takes place. Okay, these electrode can coupled with standard hydrogen electrode. Then these standard hydrogen electrode can oxidized. Why this is oxidized? This is reduced. So this is oxidized. That means oxidation means loss of electrons. That means hydrogen gas will give rise to H plus 2 electrons. 2 H plus balanced. Okay, this is oxidation. The redox reaction is Cu plus 2 plus hydrogen gas will give rise to 2 H plus Cu. Okay. Next, in this case, the standard hydrogen electrode is acts as a both anode and cathode, depending upon the attachment with another electrode. Depending upon the attachment with another electrode. Okay. This electrode is oxidized, then this is reduced. If this is reduced, then this standard hydrogen electrode is oxidized. Okay. This is the sign convention.